How do you do, my lovely friends? Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool program. By the letters in the classroom, fly to make your name. I'll show you how it works. I hope you've installed Scratch and are all set. Let's get started. Go to your desktop and double-click on the Scratch icon to load it. This may take a few seconds. By default, you'll see a cat sprite. Select the cat by clicking on it, and then click on the delete button. Click on the Choose Sprite button and select the letters category. Select the first letter of your name. In my case, it's A for Ash. And you'll see it appears on the canvas. Click on Choose Sprite again and follow the same process for all the letters of your name, one by one. I'll follow it for the letters K, S, and H. If your name is quite long, you can always use your nickname. Now we've got all the letters. It looks kind of boring, doesn't it? We need a backdrop. So let's click on the backdrop icon. Select any interesting backdrop that you like. I'm going to pick a chalkboard backdrop. You can choose the stars backdrop also, as it's also a good option. Arrange your letters in order. Now it's time to code. You have to select the first letter of your name. I'll select A. To start off any program, you have to choose one of your events. Let's go to Event Blocks and select When Green Flag Clicked. Drag and drop it to the code area. We want to delay the star by a second, so let's go to Control and select Wait 1 second. Drag and attach it to our code. Now for the main part. You want it to glide to its position after you move it. Let's go to Motion Blocks and select Glide 1 second to X and Y. Drag and attach it to our code block. Now you can look next to the sprite name and verify that X and Y for the sprite are the same as on the glide blocks. In my case, the X is -92 and the Y is 36. You have to copy this code for all the letters. Here's how you do it. You drag the whole code block to the letter you want to copy, and then wait till it shakes. Finally, you release it. This may take a few tries. Let's copy it to the second letter. Select the next letter. Remove the glide block from the code and add it again by dragging and dropping the motion blocks. This will update the X and Y value for the letter you're on. In my case, you can see the X and Y for K are now updated. We don't want all the letters to glide at once, so let's change the 1 second to the place of the letter of your name you're on. In my case, I'm on the second letter, so I'll change it to 2. Now I'll do the exact same thing for all the letters. So I'm going to copy my K into S and replace the glide block. Now I'm going to change the wait 2 seconds to 3. Finally, I'm going to move this When Green Flag Clicked to the H block. Now to do the exchanging of the glide blocks and change the 3 to 4. To make it more fun, you can add some music at the start. Go to Event Blocks and select When Green Flag is Clicked. Drag and drop it to our code area. Now, go to Control Blocks. Select Repeat 10 and drag and drop it after when the green flag is clicked event block. Repeat 10 block but play a sound 10 times. To add a sound, you'll have to go to sound blocks and select start sound. Drag and drop it inside the repeat 10 block. At the top, you'll see 3 options: code, costumes, and sounds. Click on the sounds and you'll see an icon to add a sound. Click on that. Now to select a channel of your choice. I highly recommend Dance Chill. Go back to the code tab. Select the arrow on the start sound block and select the Dance Chill option. You can record your own voice by selecting the record option too. Time to test it out. Move your letters to random locations and tap on full screen. Press the green flag. Hooray! It's amazing, right? Hope you enjoyed the session. Don't forget to save your project by clicking on File and then the Save option. Do subscribe to my channel. Let me know which backdrop you used and liked the most in the comment section. You can also post your queries in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Bye. See you next time.